Ito na. Bahel, he gives it to Cancino, was blocked there by round. Ito na, Marvin Hayes na bunata siya ron. Ito na, pinasok ng super point guard ng Japan. He takes a three, back! Kishimoto, the super point guard. Kishimoto, atake! Kishimoto, inikot-ikot yung mga sumusunod sa kanya. Finds the open man. Napakaganda. Nohara again uses the screen. Sadohara! Romero, atake na lang sa loob. Sabi niya, mas malaki katawan ko rito. Romero! Chance by Meralco to cut the lead. Ito number 3. Gives it back to Justin. Takes a 3. It's good! And Vaquero! Guarding Law. Brownlee versus Law. Ang grabe! Tiniruan sa mukha si Brownlee. Moro! Sinasayawa si Romero. Kishimoto! Up! Inside! And whoa! What's the call there, ref? And technical ang bench here ng Meralco. Kishimoto! Kishimoto! Nakabutas! Grabe naman yung super point guard na yun. Attacking gives it to the open corner. CJ Cancino! I'm looking for Brownlee. Brownlee! Oh! There you go. Fights for the ball. And natapikan siya! Romero! They're looking for the pick. Chris Newsom! Romero! Eto na! Chris Newsom! All the way! 7:84, 53 seconds remaining. Romero will attack. Romero bombs. There you go. Atake sila Lani. Oh! And one by Lani.
Yo, what up mga master? It's The Whistle here and nandito tayo ngayon sa may Araneta City sa Cubao. And this time, pipitik tayo sa may East Asia Super League or yung EASL. So mga master, laglagan nito dahil ang makakalaban ng Meralco Bolts ay ang Japan. So kailangan manalo ng 6 points ng Meralco para tumagos sila dito at makapasok sa semifinal. So yan mga master, samahan nyo ako. Tara, panoorin natin to, matinding bakbakan to. Let's go! Shoutout Alvin Bahar.
Shoutout mga master.
Nandito rin RJ Aragon in the house.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's go!
Basketball Daily in the house, yo.
Shout out, let's go.
Beyond the Game Production in the house. Master ko, shoutout po.
And here we go, the UQ Golden Kings versus the Meralco Bolts, Philippines. And nandito ang ating bayani kabang-abang, Justin Brownlee, Is Banquero, TJ Cancino, Lip Hodge, and the rest of the Meralco Bolts squad. And the Meralco Bolts need to win by at least 6 points here. Here we go, mga masters. 45 gives it back to Law. Law will try to take a three, but he was well defended, but that's in. Banquero gives it to number 3, umatake! Whoa! Number 17, Law gives it to nice one! Oh, it was blocked again by Justin Brownlee. Nagagawa sila sa bola dito. What a nice skip pass in the dunk, but gives it to Law, gives it inside. Justin Brownlee intercepted that pass. And that's gonna be a foul there. And it's good for Justin Brownlee. Ito na, pinasok na ang super point guard ng Japan. He takes a three, bang! Breakman looking for someone to pass to. What a nice pick there. And Romero gets the N1 there against Gully. Eto na, Marvin Hayes na bunata siya ron. It's a good rebound by Meralco. Eto na, a chance by Meralco to cut the lead. Ooh! CJ Cancino. Kishimoto stops and pop for the three, bang! Romero gives it to the post. Lalanin. Naagawan siya ron. Guess who? Kishimoto, the super point guard. Kishimoto! Atake! Give it to Chris Newsom. Chris Newsom attack. They give it to Lalani. Bang! Kishimoto will reset. Kishimoto, inikot-ikot yung mga sumusunod sa kanya. Finds the open man. Napakaganda ng ball movement dito ng Japan. Justin Brownlee skips pass to the corner to CJ. CJ, floater, it's good! Looking for someone. What a great play there. And they take a three. Romero, atake na lang sa loob. Sabi niya, mas malaki katawang ko rito. Romero! Kain ka burger doon. Ito na naman. They give it to number 50 naman. Kakapasok lang. Bang! Nice. Ganda naman. Napakasimple. Gives it inside. Romero gives it kay Lalanin. Lalanin being guarded here. Turns around. Gets the shot. Buti, sumablay na ngayon ng Japan. Banchero. Banchero gives it inside. To Aaron Black with a quick floater there. Cooley being guarded. What a nice give and go there by the two big men. Hara again uses the screen. Sadohara! Oh, no! And ito na naman yung Japan. Sadohara, atake! Inatake doon si Justin. Justin gives it to number 3. Gives it back to Justin. Takes a 3. It's good! And Brownlee gives it to Cliff Hodge. And Banchero! With a nice two. Rato boss. Nandito pa rin sa laro. Matsuaki takes a 3. Bang! Grabe naman napaka-shooter na itong mga to. Bahedi with a cross. Nice pass and a drop by Romero. Lalanin well defended there. Side steps. Ang layo. Ba't ito si Romero? Romero! Uli siya doon. They give it to the corner. Open na open. Bang! Grabe naman. Napaka-shooter na ito mga to. Ano ba minimerienda na ito mga to? Bola. Back to the ball game. Brownlee takes a 3. Bang! Kishimoto. Kishimoto, nakabutas! Grabe naman yung super point guard na yun. Back in the ball game, they give it to Kishimoto again. Napakagaling na itong point guard na to. Kishimoto, inikot-ikot and drops it. Wow! Wow, what a nice move by Romero there. Kishimoto working. Kishimoto, sinasayawa si Romero. Kishimoto, ooh! Oh my God! Kung pumasok yun. They give it to Justin. Justin has drop pass. Great pass by Newsom. Gives it to Justin Brownlee. Brownlee. Attacking, gives it to the open corner, CJ Cancino! Gives it up to Lalanin na naman. Bang! Justin Kakamada gives it up. Romero was fouled there. Ito na, Meralco. Good! Atake sila Lalanin. And one by Lalanin. Happy na ang fans dito ng Meralco. He gets the inbound there. Oh, si Nico pa ron, si CJ Cancino. Kishimoto looking for who? What a nice play there, but it was intercepted there. There we go! Oh! Atsuari gives it. Oh, libre na naman doon si number 8. Ouch! Ouch! Newsom looking for Brownlee. Brownlee! Oh! There you go. Matsuari. Naagawan and fights for the ball. And natabigan siya! Romero with a dunk! Meralco Bots get a break here. They're looking for the pick. Chris Newsom! Romero! Tinignan pa rin! 74-82. Eto na! Chris Newsom all the way! Woo! Lodi diskarte, binabate ni Romero, and there was a foul there by Justin Brownlee. Oh, it was an offensive foul! Ilabas si Chris Newsom doon, I don't know why, but here we go. Chris Banquero. Romero. Justin Brownlee. He was blocked there by Cooley. And Japan will reset. Kishimuro. He was blocked there and... Oh! Come on. They need to get a quick basket here. 77-84. 53 seconds remaining. Romero will attack. Romero bumps. There you go. Let's go. Talaga. And Japan will take the win here and move on to the semifinals of the East Asia Super League.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again,